Birds are among the most important creatures in God's creation. They are important in predating insects. In fact, without birds, insects might overrun our planet, eating all the grasses, crops, trees, and the forest. Birds are vital to human existence. St. Bernard is ideally situated for migratory birds. Many migrants follow the Mississippi River, traveling from the Mississippi River Delta north to Canada and even to the Arctic Circle. And of course, in the fall, they reverse that migration. Our proximity to the river, our location as the shoreline of the Gulf of Mexico, and our vast wetlands make St. Bernard a first stop for many migratory songbirds. These songbirds travel back to the North American continent from Central and South America in their northern spring migration. These and other factors make the St. Bernard Spring Bird Festival a natural. The Bird Festival is ecotourism at its finest, showcasing the birds, the artists, native plants, and also giving tips on reforestation for all who attend. Hundreds of enthusiastic nature lovers attended this year's Bird Festival. Many were first-time visitors to our parish. They were all treated to breathtaking sights by seeing the beautiful birds that reside in our parish. Over 100 species of birds, both native and migratory, were identified during the festival. Audubon, Louisiana, once again provided the core of experts for our festival. The group was led by Dr. Eric Johnson, one of the top experts on birds in our state. Again, experts from Audubon captured and banded many birds, and everyone who observed were treated to breathtaking sights. Each bird was examined and data recorded before they were banded and released. Dr. Johnson also gave a presentation in the Frank Fernandez multi-purpose building of the Isleño Museum Complex. His talk was concerning birds in Louisiana and our changing environment. All of our birding tours will be led by our expert birding guide, Glenn Doucette. Glenn has a reputation as one of the best birders in the metropolitan area, and he has been on birding tours throughout the world. Krista Adams, another presenter, spoke on the migratory patterns of the purple martin, our annual visitor from the Amazon Valley in South America. Krista also gave instructions on how to best place a purple martin house on your property. Over 50 school children attended, and their teachers expressed an interest in placing a purple martin house on the school property. Krista and officials of the Bird Festival will be assisting in that project. Linda Van Amen, a local expert on native plants, gave a walking tour on the nature trail of the Isleño Museum project. The tour was well attended, and most learned a great deal more about native plants in St. Bernard, and they also saw the 2,000-year-old cypress log that is placed in a pavilion along the nature trail. Common Ground Relief, represented by Charlotte Clark, had a tree giveaway and spoke on the reforestation efforts by her group in South Louisiana. Several woodcarvers and other artists displayed their beautiful works, copying many of the birds that were sighted during the festival. It was quite interesting to see them working on their carvings and paintings in full view of the public. Audubon, Louisiana, again sponsored airboat excursions to the Big Mar Bird Rookery, one of the largest rookeries in southeast Louisiana. This is a very remote, isolated area. Each excursion had an Audubon guide aboard. The festival thanks Parish President Guy McGinnis, St. Bernard Parish Government, the St. Bernard Tourist Commission, Parish Historian William Highland, and the Los Isleños Heritage and Cultural Society for the use of their beautiful grounds, and further allowing the visitors outside of St. Bernard to visit the restored colonial homes. The festival also thanks Sheriff Jimmy Pullman, the St. Bernard Sheriff's Department, and Emil Pelletieri of Pelletieri Homes for their assistance in erecting the temporary tents used by the exhibitors during the Bird Festival. Everyone is invited to this year's St. Bernard Bird Festival, which will be held on Friday, May 5th and Saturday, May 6th from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on both days at the Los Isleños Museum Complex. We hope to see you there.